You remember when your parents would be like, look, the grass ain't gonna cut itself. Well, guess what? Now it can. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the YARDCARE E400 Robotic Lawnmower. That's right, this is a lawnmower that can charge itself, cut the grass for you, and makes your life so much easier. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we'll do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. This is the YARDCARE E400 Robotic Lawnmower. Smart app control and powerful brushless motor easily set and manage your mowing schedule via an intuitive mobile app, making lawn care effortless. The high-performance brushless motor operates quietly and efficiently, reducing maintenance needs and extending the mower's lifespan, ensuring consistent and reliable cutting. Collision detection system for safe and efficient operation. It's equipped with a sensitive bumper sensor, and mower automatically changes direction when encountering obstacles, preventing jams and potential damage. This feature ensures safe and smooth operation even on complex terrains. Auto charging and weather sensor for all weather protection. The mower automatically returns to its charging dock when the battery is low or rain is detected, preventing interruptions to its operation. With an IPX5 weatherproof rating, it can withstand various outdoor conditions, ensuring reliable performance in any weather. Manual adjustable cutting height for a perfect lawn. You can choose from a range of cutting heights from 0.8 to 2.4 inches and easily adjusted to suit different seasons and grass types. The triple blade design ensures a smooth, even trim for a neat and beautifully finished lawn. And it's quick DIY setup, so it's ready to use. All necessary accessories are included in the package. Simply lay the boundary wire and connect the charging dock to begin using the mower immediately. No complex tools or professional assistance are required. Enjoy smart mowing in no time. This mower is able to climb 25-degree heights, making it suitable for the majority of different lawns. The YARDCARE E400 is a must-have for anybody trying to handle lawn care on a timely, scheduled basis. Your life just got easier. I gotta say, guys, YARDCARE, great job. As you know, we've worked with YARDCARE in the past on several different lawnmower systems, and this one is no exception. It's awesome. I love the fact that it has auto rain detection, so if it's raining, this thing will go and charge itself and get out of the rain. This package also comes with the boundary system, so you're able to actually set up the boundaries and the barriers for it, keep the lawnmower where you need it. It's such a good package, especially for somebody who is not that experienced with it, so it comes with everything you need. It's really nice. We want to give a huge shout out to YARDCARE for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew. You've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.